Suzuki Motor Corporation is one of Japan's most respected motorcycle manufacturers and a global leader in high-performance mobility engineering. The company produces motorcycles, automobiles, marine engines, and advanced mechanical systems that are exported worldwide. Today we will look at the full production process of the legendary Suzuki Hayabusa, one of the most iconic superbikes ever created. The Hayabusa is known globally as the machine that changed motorcycle speed history. It became the first mass-produced motorcycle to officially exceed 300 kilometers per hour, establishing a completely new category of high-speed sports bikes.
Its name comes from the peregrine falcon, a bird famous for extraordinary speed and precision. Because of this, the Hayabusa is often called the Falcon of the Road. The motorcycle combines aerodynamic design, advanced engine technology, and long-distance stability in one machine. Production begins at Suzuki's manufacturing network in Hamamatsu, where final motorcycle production takes place. Casting operations are performed separately at the Osaka factory, where major engine components are produced.
The process begins with high-temperature metal melting. Aluminum alloy is heated inside industrial furnaces until it becomes fully molten. The molten metal is then poured carefully into precision molds. These molds create major engine parts, such as cylinder heads, crankcases, and internal structural housings. Computer-controlled machines cut surfaces, drill oil passages, and finish critical contact areas. Each dimension must meet exact engineering tolerances. This precision is necessary because the Hayabusa engine operates at extremely high rotational speeds. After machining, the engine moves to the assembly line. Now begins the main vehicle assembly process. The engine is mounted into the frame. Suspension systems, wheels, brakes, fuel lines, wiring harnesses, and exhaust systems are installed. Step by step, each station focuses on one major assembly section. Workers carefully align every component before tightening. Electronic systems are then connected. The Hayabusa includes advanced control systems, sensors, and riding electronics. These systems are checked before startup. After full assembly, the motorcycle enters manufacturing inspection. Brake systems, electrical systems, steering movement, lighting, and control response are all tested. This is followed by final inspection, where appearance and mechanical accuracy are verified again. Selected motorcycles undergo a driving test. This confirms engine response, transmission shifting, braking feel, and stability under real movement. This road test is performed as a sampling inspection, rather than on every unit. Finally, export. Motorcycles are packaged carefully for overseas shipment.
Domestic units are prepared separately for shipment across Japan. Before leaving the factory, every Hayabusa reflects thousands of manufacturing decisions and precision checks.
From molten aluminum to final road testing, each machine represents a combination of speed, Engineering, Japanese craftsmanship and production accuracy. The Hayabusa is not simply assembled. It is built through a process where every stage must meet the demands of one of the world's most legendary superbikes.